Welcome to your dashboard. Once you log in, this is the first screen you'll see. It's intentionally clean, simple, and easy to navigate, and this is where everything begins. Booked and Bizy was built to give you structure, clarity, and consistency without juggling multiple platforms or managing everything manually. The very first thing you'll do as a new sign-up is head to the Setup tab at the top. This is where you connect the foundation of your business. You'll start by entering your company information, such as your business name, contact details, and location. Next, you'll connect your credentials for your payment gateways and email marketing. If you need additional guidance, there are video tutorials right on the dashboard that walk you through each payment option step by step. After setup, the next step is your booking information. This is where you'll add your services, your availability, and even staff members. As your business grows, your plan unlocks more advanced features, but everything starts right here with these core settings. Once this is complete, your system is ready to accept bookings the way you want, with structure, boundaries, and automation already built in. Get started today at bookedandbizy.com.